Today, many organizations are investing heavily in artificial intelligence. But one critical question remains. Why do so many AI projects fail to scale? In this presentation, I will introduce a simple idea. To build sustainable AI systems, enterprises must first engineer meaning. Across industries, we see the same pattern. Organizations deploy multiple AI tools, they launch many proof of concept, but when it comes to scaling AI across the enterprise, results are often disappointing. The problem is rarely technology, the real issue is architecture. Many companies try to automate processes with AI before stabilizing the meaning of their data. Without shared meaning, automation scales confusion. If different systems interpret business concepts differently, AI will amplify these inconsistencies. The consequences are visible: hidden cost, siloed processes, degraded data quality, hallucinations, and security risk. In short, AI becomes powerful but unstable. The solution is conceptually simple. Before automating processes with AI, organizations must first build a semantic foundation. This means clarifying a business concept, structuring the relationships between them, and aligning enterprise data. Once meaning becomes stable, automation becomes reliable. The Meta framework provides a structured approach to enterprise AI. Meta stands for motion, engagement, treasury, and assurance. These four dimensions reflect the core concern of every organization: strategy, operation, economics, and protection. Within this framework, enterprise AI relies on two key layers. First, the semantic layer, which structures meaning through business glossaries and conceptual data models. Second, the reasoning layer, where AI agents and automation operate. Together, these layers enable reliable and scalable AI. From a strategic perspective, enterprise AI requires three elements. First, translating business vocabulary into structured knowledge. Second, separating meaning from automation. And third, building AI systems on top of a stable semantic architecture. When this structure exists, AI systems become far more scalable and economically sustainable. One of the key components of the semantic layer is the conceptual data model. This model explains how business concepts relate to each other. It translates business vocabulary into a structured representation of enterprise knowledge. In many ways, the conceptual model becomes the blueprint of enterprise meanings. Many organizations attempt to build ontologies directly, but when ontologies are created independently across departments, they often become fragmented. The result is a collection of disconnected semantic models. Instead, a conceptual data model provides a shared enterprise structure. From this structure, ontologies can emerge in a much more coherent way. The first step in building the semantic layer is the business glossary. Every important business concept must be clearly defined. Concepts are organized into domains, enriched with properties, and connected through relationships. Without this semantic foundation, AI systems lack clarity, and without clarity, reliable AI is impossible. Once business concepts are defined, the next step is to model how they relate to each other. This is the role of the conceptual data model. It organizes enterprise knowledge into structured relationships. From this model, organizations can derive operational data structures and knowledge graph. To accelerate this process, the Meta framework introduces AI-assisted agents. These agents help generate glossaries, conceptual models, synthetic data, and narratives. They augment human expertise and significantly accelerate semantic modeling. This makes it possible to build enterprise knowledge layers much faster than traditional approaches. The Meta framework is already applied in several types of organizations. These applications illustrate three forms of enterprise AI transformation: building companies, transforming companies, on training companies for the AI era. In a startup environment, Meta helps build scalable data foundation from day one. In small and medium enterprise, it supports digital transformation while avoiding heavy ERP dependencies. And in IT services organizations, it helps train engineers to design AI-ready enterprise systems. Across this context, the objective remains the same: align enterprise meaning before scaling automation. The core message is simple. AI systems must be educated on data before they are educated on processes. When meaning is stable, AI becomes reliable. When meaning is unclear, automation amplifies confusion. Then sustainable AI begins with engineering meaning. If you would like to learn more about this approach, you can visit engagemeta.com or subscribe to the Sustainable AI System newsletter. Thank you for your attention.